Okay, we are live. I think we are live here. Let me know when we're looking good.
I don't have a link for it or anything yet.
All right.
Yeah, awesome. All right.
I think we're live here on our channel, guys. We're going to do some live trading for you, with you. Actually, let me just see something here as we're working on this as we speak. Boom. Okay. Well, I'm liking Euro Franc right here for a first entry. Well, no, it is at a resistance, but I think I want it. Yeah, that would have been the spot. Because it pushed through this resistance, I wanted to try to wait to take it at this next level that it did not get to. So it did actually respond um, at that first level. So, you suspect that we're live here, Jason? Doing well?
We are live. Yes, we are.
Okay. So if Euro Franc, guys, we're going to be taking a few trades here live, hopefully, conditions permitting. I'm only using a $100 first entry on these trades, a little bit below where I normally trade, but the live environment on YouTube, I just don't want to create any weird psychological hindrances to taking the trades where we need to take them. So we're going to be taking some support and resistance trades. We are looking for currencies like Euro Pound might be doing, or Euro USD. If Euro Pound or USD can come down and hit these support areas, then I will take a call on them. We have Euro CAD that just came down and bounced off of one, and I just missed it as I was talking about these guys. Euro Franc is attempting to get to that next level of resistance. If it can get there one more notch, I will grab a first on Euro Franc. If it can give me, I want a little bit more out of it right there. I just took a first entry put on Euro Franc, and it did bounce right off of that level very nicely. All right, look at that. That's beautiful.
That is nice.
That's beautiful. We're already pretty well into the money on this one. If Euro USD can get down to that support, I will I'll look to take a first entry there too. I'm going to babysit this Euro Franc first entry here for a moment. Make sure it stays down. It is kind of working its way back up, so we're not as deep in the money as we were. It is still looking okay.
I like it overall.
Yeah.
It's definitely balanced, sitting right there on that support level a bit, isn't it?
I know, it is. I was just hoping it didn't get a bounce there. And we're going to win that trade. So I'm going to take my trade. So we just won $89 first entry on that. If Euro USD can, I haven't been loving calls on the Euro pairs right now just because they've been, or Euro USD specifically because of this downtrend it's been in. But it looks like it might be trying to find a bottom here. So I'm going to consider a call if it can get at least down to the, I might actually want to wait to this next second support down where the 100 fib is sitting. I'm indecisive as to whether I want to take Euro USD at this first support, which it is just touching right now. So I'm going to wait a moment. This is one where I'm just going to give a little bit of patience to. And it actually does look like it's trying to bounce there. Okay, we have a new candle opening up in a few seconds, and it does look like Euro USD is trying to respond there. So I didn't get that entry. If it represents itself a little lower, I probably will still take it. But because of this downtrend that it's been in, this might actually be kind of a bit of a reversal that it's working on with that higher low there. What else do we have going on? We do have Euro Pound. Euro Pound, okay, just push through what I would have considered a weak support. Euro USD is actually, if Euro Pound can make it down to these bottom areas, I will take a first entry there. It's trying. I need another move out of it though. I am close to taking this guy. Okay, it's revisiting. Is it going to give it to us? And is that it? I'm going to take it right there. Boom. I took a first entry call there on Euro Pound. We have Euro USD giving us a little green. I don't know. We're right on the edge here of where this could respond.
Your cat's pushing down a little bit, but hopefully that won't affect our Euro Pound.
Keeps touching my money. As long as we get one sliver of a green, it keeps touching my money here. So I'd like it to go a little more convincingly green here. Maybe get itself up to that resistance. Okay, sort of like it's trying to do there. I would have liked it to stay at that resistance a little longer. Okay, something similar to that. Boom. All right, there we go. There's our second first entry win there. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. All right, guys, we just made what, $190 in 5 minutes or something? Not too bad.
Yeah.
What do you guys make $190 in 5 minutes? I don't know. I might not make $190 in 5 minutes doing anything else today, but I have, in a relatively low stress environment, just made that here.
Yeah. I'm getting ready to maybe take Euro dollar right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And okay, I just took it to just
okay.
spike down there, even below that support.
Oh, good. I like
And
that
the
spot.
very bottom there, I like that a lot.
I didn't get that one, so
We have 45 seconds left on it. My screen's not being shared here, unfortunately, but
yeah, if it represents, it's there. If it gets me a little bit better of a spot, I will. And it did give me a little bit better of a spot, and I didn't take it. I don't know. I like it right there.
oh, you got a good spot. That's beautiful. Look at that.
Look it. Okay. It came down actually to you can see on my you're probably going to win this trade, I'm assuming, I'm hoping, but
Yeah.
you can see there's a red line there that it actually drawn from a couple days ago, I think. Ooh. Stay up.
And I just got my win there.
All right. Yeah, on my I don't know if you can see my MT4, but there's a red line it came down to, which is a previous support from probably yesterday that it came down and just touched and launched off of. So I am going to cruise in. I'm like 5 pips in the money. I'm going to cruise in for a very, very nice win here. I'm actually kind of got my eye on Euro CAD. But honestly, Euro CAD, I'm going to cruise over because this trade is going to win, but I'm not going to take Euro CAD at this first resistance because Euro USD, they're kind of all moving up. I think I want to wait and see if it'll give me that next little resistance there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, nice and overbought at that point. Nice, good, solid movement.
And oh, yeah, that little spike could have been it. I didn't grab it. Let's see. I won't jump in late if it, okay, right there. I just took it right there at that next resistance. Hopefully it responds. We have Euro USD that has moved down. Do we have any? We don't have any other CADs on the board, do we? I'll probably pull a CAD up over here. It is coming down nice.
Yeah, it's even lower than the previous resistance there. Might be trying to make a support there, but let's see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely finding support there. That's a nice move.
Yeah. Okay. It broke that other resistance now / support. We've only got 15 seconds left, so this actually should just be, hopefully, a smooth win. Okay. Beautiful. And I've got 2 seconds left. What is that, like my 4th win? I think that is my 4th first entry win here. Maybe 3rd, I can't quite recall. Let's see. Boom. Oh, yeah, probably 4. Kind of watching Euro Franc, it's just sort of left. I need to zoom out of my chart. It's left my visible area. Okay, so there is a resistance coming up on Euro Franc up here that I would want to wait for. Even if it doesn't get there, I'd want to wait for that. Guys, I'll take another trade or two. I think 4 is a pretty decent number, but we'll stick around and take a couple more trades if they present themselves. Everything's just kind of in the middle of some ranges right now, so we got to wait till we get a currency that is extended. We take support and resistance trades, and also we've got an indicator that shows how overbought or oversold these currencies are, which is a secondary indication to us that a currency is in a good spot to reverse. We're trying to catch reversals. Euro pound is coming down and hitting a support again, but let me zoom out. I'm not sure if I love it. We'll see. It's retesting this area. I've got my screen on it. I didn't get that bottom, so it's actually representing. I just took a call, a first entry call on Euro pound right there. It's come down a few times to that area and it's found support there quite a number of times. So let's just hope that this isn't the time where it really decides to push through. I don't necessarily want to get caught up in a number of entries on this one. If it does, in fact, cleanly break down, I might avoid it. It's just toying around with my money. So it does kind of cleanly break right there. Let's see if it'll...
There is a level down here around the 8604 mark that I'd be interested in.
Okay. Oh, so it's getting real close to that.
Yeah, maybe 044 roughly.
So it's right there. I'm considering another entry. Oh, wait a minute. And your level was magic, Jason, because we just won that. It responded beautifully off of that next level to the point where our first entry won just beautifully. And I almost had a second entry in right there too. I didn't take it, but that could have been a good one, because even though it's working its way down at the moment a little bit, we could have won a first and second there, and that is always really fun. I don't know. We're getting close to, like, our trading sessions. Like, we like to get about five wins oftentimes. Don't want to push it too far. And I think I'm at 5. So I'm looking at Euro CAD, but okay, just push through that level cleanly. I got to zoom out my charts. I hope this isn't making my charts too unreadable, guys, but some of these movements going on really make me want to get a little bit more perspective on some of these guys. Euro CAD is almost at another level right there. Okay,
Yeah.
that was that level. Another couple pipettes is what I was hoping to see from it. If it'll give me another couple pipettes, I'll consider it. Okay, I did take it. I probably shouldn't have. I kind of instinctively clicked. I think it's going to respond here. I see Euro USD responding. There's a good chance we'll be okay, even though I'm late, but that was not really where I wanted to get in that guy. That was not an example of a good entry. So we have a new candle opening up right here. So let's just kind of hope this one responds at that level the way that I was hoping it might. Okay, and that's actually where I really wanted it, right there. Let's see if it'll give it to us here. Okay, it did touch that level. It did come... Oh, did you? Okay, I just got a bad area. We'll see. It's revisiting the level where I might end up taking a second here. I don't know if I want to chase this one. That may not be smart. I'm glad you won yours. I'm not going to chase this one. That was just a bad entry. Yeah, I did lose that first entry, and not surprised I did. I thought that it was breaking down and it was breaking up, and so that's fine. I mean, I've got five other wins, so I'm up. I don't know what I'm up. I'm up close to over $400, I believe, on the session. So with fairly stress-free trading, one bad trade there, but you'll get those occasionally. Our money management, our strategy allows for multiple entries. We do have some activity going on right now. It looks like, yeah, Euro has just got some negative pressure on it. I'm just watching EuroCAD just to see if it'll give us a better spot, another level here. I might go mark this level here. Let's see. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm actually going to come down and mark this level here. And it might already move before I do that, before I can get it marked. Okay, if it touches that level, it'll be a bigger like for me for a second entry. That green is not what I want yet. I want it a little lower. I want it a little lower. Come on. I did not want it to reverse quite yet. We wanted that little bit better level. Yeah, I think it's going to respond early. I don't know. We'll see. Just got to be a little patient with it. A little patient. I'm okay with walking away with that first entry loss, but if it can give me what I want, I might take it here. And okay, so it's not giving us a green candle. Oh, come on. Come on. There. Took an entry right there at that next level.
I got a little bit late on my entry on it. It should be fine.
I'm definitely not confident just because of all of the red, and it actually found itself even at that other spot. So we'll just see what happens here. Came back up to my money. It's using that other previous support at as a resistance now. And there's our win. Okay. So took a second entry win there, guys, and that just shows you a little bit of the power of our strategy. Our money management system does allow us to win or lose one particular trade and win on the trading cycle. We can go 3 or 4 entries deep if needed. Thankfully, I didn't have to because there was a lot of negative pressure right there on the EuroCAD, but it did come down and respond very, very beautifully at a support level that was not too far off from the one that we chose. So, guys, I don't know. We closed 5 or 6 trades. I think I made $600 or $700 in under 30 minutes of trading. Again, relatively stress-free. We do this every day, Monday through Friday, live in the trading room. We show you our trades, we tell you where we're entering, and we generally always make a bunch of money. Guys, I started my account today at $9,000, and I'm going to finish my day at like what, about $13,700. So $4,700 in just a couple hours of trading. If you'd like to join us live in the trading room and make this money yourself like we're making, there are links in the description. We have incentives going on right now to get our indicators for free. We have ways of getting our monthly membership for free. You can get a free premium membership with us, guys. And look at EuroCAD now drop through. You can get a free premium membership, which normally runs $199 per month. You can get it for free by simply opening up your pocket option, and Quotex accounts under our affiliate link. So $199 value. It gives you all of our trading sessions throughout the day. We've got 3 different trading sessions through the day. So guys, we'd love for you to trade with us. Come make money with us, and we'll see you in the trading room.